In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Facebook birthdays to Google Calendar if you're like many people who rely on Google Calendar to keep their personal and professional life organized. You might want to integrate all those important Facebook birthdays so that you never miss a friend's special day. But as you might have noticed, Facebook removed the direct export birthdays option a while ago. Don't worry though, because there is an updated method that you can use to get Facebook birthdays into your Google Calendar seamlessly. To start with, you'll need to use a third-party tool or a browser extension. There are several options available to you, including tools like Facebook Calendar Sync and FB Cal Feed, which can generate a file called a DICES file. This file format is pretty standard across all calendar applications, making it possible for you to import data from one app to another easily. Simply choose a tool you're comfortable with and follow their instructions to download your ICS file containing all your Facebook birthdays. Once you have successfully downloaded your ICS file, the next step is to import it into your Google Calendar. Begin by opening Google Calendar on your computer. Look at the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a gear icon. Clicking on this will drop down a menu where you'll find the settings option. Navigate through your settings and in the left-hand menu select Import and Export. This is where you'll be able to import your ICS file into Google Calendar. Click on Select File from your computer and choose the ICS file that you downloaded earlier. You will also need to decide which calendar you would like to import these birthdays into. This could be your main calendar, or if you prefer a dedicated calendar just for birthdays, feel free to create a new one and give it a fitting name like birthdays. Finally, click Import and let the magic happen. Once the process completes, you're all set. The Facebook birthdays will appear in the calendar you selected. Google Calendar does an excellent job of integrating these events seamlessly, giving you reminders and notifications just like any other event. It really is as simple as that. By following these straightforward steps, you're ensuring that all those important birthdays are safely added into your planning toolkit. Remember that keeping track of special occasions like birthdays can help you maintain strong relationships, as you'll never have to worry about a last-minute dash to wish someone a happy birthday. Enjoy the added organization in your life and stay on top of every birthday from now on.